Are you waking up tired, unable to lose weight, or you have issues with hair thinning or mood swings? These are all signs and symptoms of thyroid dysfunction. But what if I tell you a 1 cup simple tea before bed can help you to calm your hormones, boost your metabolism, and also nourish your thyroid while you sleep? Today, I'm going to reveal a number one nighttime tea that has ingredients that will support your thyroid gland and improve your energy levels all naturally. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, a functional medicine physician from US. I help people reverse their thyroid conditions by making personalized functional medicine plans. Several people with thyroid disorders have issues with low energy, brain fog, weight issues, stomach problems, and mood changes. And they're looking for natural solutions to support their thyroid health and improve all of these symptoms. So that's the reason I'm sharing with you a special recipe of a tea which can help with all of these symptoms. Now the next question is that why does our thyroid need nighttime support? So the reason being, when you are sleeping, this is the time when your thyroid is rejuvenating. Nighttime is the time where your body is trying to lower inflammation so that it can get your body up and running the next day. And if it can support your body by using some particular anti-inflammatory herbs, then your body can lower inflammation better, and that improves not only your quality of sleep but also your thyroid function. We have research studies which shows that people with poor sleep, high amount of inflammation and high stress have higher chances of getting thyroid disorders and have higher number of thyroid symptoms. So that's the reason it is not only important to support your thyroid during the day but also during the night time, so that way your thyroid can work better. Now let me share with you various ingredients of this nighttime tea and why they are helping to support your thyroid gland. So the number one ingredient over here is chamomile flowers or chamomile tea. So chamomile has calming properties in your nervous system. It also induces deep sleep in your body and also reduces inflammation while you sleep. So that's the reason chamomile tea is very important over here, because it is going to be very gentle on your body, especially supporting your thyroid gland and also inducing that deep sleep. This is where your body and your thyroid gland produces the thyroid hormone. The second ingredient of this tea is holy basil leaves or Tulsi tea. Holy basil has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine. It is a powerful adaptogenic herb. It works by rebalancing your adrenal hormones as well as your thyroid hormones while you sleep. Research studies show that regular consumption of holy basil can help your body to lower inflammation levels. Plus, holy basil also rebalances your stress hormones in your body and reduces the burden of stress on your body. The next ingredient over here is fennel seeds. Fennel seeds not only improve your digestion but are very powerful detoxifying agents also. Again, in the night time is where you're processing various toxins. And we want to use a very gentle detoxifying agent just to support your body a little bit. And this is where fennel seeds are very great. They have very mild detoxifying potential. Plus, they soothe your gut in the night and can improve your bloating symptoms also significantly. So thereby, fennel seeds is a very important part of this tea. The next ingredient over here is ginger powder. As you all know, ginger is a very powerful anti-inflammatory herb. So it helps reduce inflammation in your thyroid gland in the night time. Plus, ginger also supports your gut health and also helps in proper nutrient absorption from your gut so that all the vitamins and minerals that are needed by your thyroid gland can reach it. So thereby reducing inflammation in the thyroid gland, ginger will help support your thyroid during the night time. So you see, all these four ingredients are working on different pathways and different ways to support your thyroid gland and improve your body. Now let's talk about how to make this tea. So for this you will need 1.5 cups of water and you need to start boiling this water. Once the water has come to a boil, you switch off the flame. Then you add 1 teaspoon of dried chamomile flowers and 1 teaspoon of holy basil leaves into the cup. If you're unable to find loose chamomile flowers or holy basil leaves, then you can just buy tea bags of those and add it to this water. Then next you add half a teaspoon of fennel seeds to it and a quarter teaspoons of ginger powder. And then you let it steep for at least 5 to 8 minutes. After steeping, then you strain the whole mixture into a cup. What is the best time to consume it? You need to consume it a minimum 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. The reason being, this time will give all of these ingredients to get absorbed from your gut and will start working on rebalancing your hormones and start the process of reducing inflammation in the night time. Also, make sure you're not gulping down this tea in one go. Take a minimum of 8 to 10 minutes and slowly sip this tea. Because when you are slowly sipping this tea, it gets better absorbed from your gut and works better. So try this tea for 7 days and you will see that your sleep is better, you have less anxiety, you are waking up with more energy, your bloating will go down as well as you will feel that your digestion is also better. So try this nighttime tea to support your thyroid gland from tomorrow itself. Along with this nighttime thyroid tea, make sure you're also taking a thyroid supporting supplement so that you can support your thyroid in the right way. That's where I've created the thyroid balance supplement. The link will be in the description if you're interested in buying it. So give this tea a try and share in the comment section what improvement you see after 7 days. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel as well as share this great information with others who can benefit from it also. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.